So what if I told you Microsoft could sell twice as many units of the Surface Duo 2 with one simple software change, and actually sell more units than the Galaxy Fold 3, be the most popular flagship phone on the market right now, and literally it takes one software change for them to go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and talk about that. So with the brand new Surface Duo 2, Microsoft has showed up a lot of amazing features. One's Android 11, smaller bezels, new camera setup, and also a new outer display. We've also saw that there is a 90Hz display panels now instead of 60Hz. But all these new features don't sell the device 100%. A lot of people still see these features as simple gimmicks. A reason to go ahead and fix a failed Surface Duo 1 and kind of throw a band-aid on the whole entire thing. But the real importance doesn't actually matter to you unless it affects you on the daily. While yes, some people will go ahead and take advantage of the new camera setup on a daily, or they will go ahead and use the NFC, the real thing is going to go ahead and be productivity and what helps you go ahead and utilize this device to its full potential. So here's the feature: Samsung DeX, but Microsoft Edition. Yes, this is something that we have seen on the Galaxy Fold series throughout the whole entire lineup and a lot of different Samsung phones in general, and that's the ability to actually run Samsung DeX on their phones. What that pretty much means is once you plug your phone into a monitor, you have your own little PC/operating system where it's away from Android 11 and now is literally actually looks like exactly like a PC. Now, the same concept could apply to Microsoft, except it would be Windows 11. So Microsoft DeX would go ahead and let you be able to plug your actual Surface Duo 2 into a monitor or TV and have a full Windows 11 experience. Now, I said yesterday in the video how it would be an absolute failure for Microsoft to go ahead and actually have Windows 11 be the operating system on the Surface Duo 2, as again, it would take them away from the flagship market, as it would confuse a lot of new users to the Surface Duo 2, having more or less just kind of like a Windows PC in your actual phone. So what does that mean? Well, this means that it gives you the ability to actually have DeX whenever you want it. And that's the key thing here, is Samsung DeX, while it is an amazing feature, it's something that you do not have to use if you do not want to. So you can still use your phone like a regular phone, not have any issue at all. Or if you want to go ahead and utilize this, it gives you that availability to actually be able to. Now, I will say, Microsoft did a really good job with the Surface Duo 2, showing off how it does connect very well with Windows 11. You can go ahead and transfer files. You can go ahead and actually run different applications from your phone on your computer. And obviously, we can cast right to your PC of your actual phone screen. But this just takes it one step farther and actually gives you that next step and the next availability to really get production done on this device. But here is the big thing: having Windows 11 in your pocket at all times when you need it. Maybe you're out, maybe you're at a friend's house, whatever the case, having the ability to pull out your phone, not have to have a PC and laptop on you at any time, and being able to run a full operating system of Windows 11, that's the key feature. Now, I'm not sure if we're going to see this on the Microsoft Surface Duo 2, as of course it has already been announced and has already been out there. It does come out on October 21st, and we have not seen every single feature possible on this device. So it's very possible that Microsoft might have this up their sleeve right now, and we might see this when it does get launched. But what I will say is, if Microsoft is going to be smart here, I recommend going ahead and starting working on this now. If you don't have it already for the Surface Duo 2, this is a feature that could sell so many more units, because not only could you go ahead and actually market this as a cell phone, which, to be honest, it has all the flagship requirements: a good processor, a good camera setup, a really good battery, it has 90Hz displays, it has everything you want. But then you can also go ahead and market this as a business angle, because this is a business phone. Adding Microsoft DeX would go ahead and add that business type angle. You can say at any time, if you want to go business trip, business meeting, you can pull out Windows 11 and have the full Windows 11 setup on your phone at that time, while still being able to use this phone as an actual cell phone and not having to worry about, really breaking down Windows 11 on a cell phone. So I will definitely say I'm excited to see what Microsoft has to offer with this. And there's other things that we've talked about, how Microsoft did go ahead and promise 3 years of updates for this device, 3 years of changes, and them actually going in and trying with this device. This is another change I really want to see them do. And I know a lot of people watching this video will definitely agree with me here, that you guys also believe that this is something that we need to see with the Surface Duo 2. And it really will go ahead and justify that big price tag of $14.99. Because if you have a cell phone that also doubles as a personal computer, that's next level, and that's something that's worth the money. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I do appreciate it a lot. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We are so freaking close to that 1,000 subscriber goal. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.